Assalamualaikum students, how are you? It's second lecture of Maths for grade 4 and today our topic is comparing and ordering numbers. Comparing and ordering numbers means by comparing the numbers, arrange them in order or in sequence. Now example on page number 5 is arrange 3621, 6321 and 3216 in order. Start with greatest. First we have to write these numbers in the place value chart as ones digit in the ones column, 10 digits in the tens column, hundreds digits in the hundreds column and thousands digits in the thousands column, and then we will compare them. So let's start from the thousands place. First we will compare these numbers, and among these numbers we will see which digit is greater. So over here among these three digits 6 is greater, so it means 6321 is greater. So we will write this number first, and the rest of the two numbers again we will compare these two digits. So over here the rest of the two digits are same, 3 and 3. So we'll see the next number that is in the hundreds place. So over here 6 is greater than 2, so it means 3621 is greater than 3221. So we will write 3621 next to 6321, and the last number is 3216. So see, by taking help from this place value chart, we arrange these numbers in the order starting with the greatest number. Now another example number 2 on page number 6 is which number is smaller, 63,398 or 62,431. Again first we will write these numbers in the place value chart, and then we will compare the digits in the 10,000 place. So over here the both digits are same in the 10,000 place, so we will see the next number that is in the thousands place. So over here 3 is greater than 2, so it means 63,398 is greater than 62,431, or we can say as 62,431 is smaller than 63,398. Now look at the blanks over here. Both numbers have the same digits in the dash place. So over here in the 10,000 place the both digits are same, so we will write 10,000 over here, and after 10,000 we compare the digit in the thousands place, and the last one is 62,431 is smaller than 63,398. Now let's start practice on page number 7. Question number 1 is compare the numbers. So part A, B, C of question number 1. Please try to attend these parts by yourself by taking help from the example number 2 on page number 6. Now question number 2 is arrange the numbers in decreasing order. So before starting this question, first you have to prepare page for yourself. Kindly write day, then maths online class and date, then topic, underline the topic and also mention the page number over here. Okay, question is arrange the numbers in decreasing order. Part A is 41,634, another number is 46,214, and the third one is 45,201. Solution: first we will draw this place value chart for ourselves, and then we will write these numbers in the place value chart. Okay, in this question we have to arrange these numbers in the decreasing order. So it means by comparing these numbers we will take the smaller number first. So let's start from the 10,000s place. Over here these digits are same in the 10,000s place, so we will see the next number that is in the thousands place. So among these three digits 1 is smaller than 5 and 6, so it means 41,634 is the smallest number. So we will write this 41,634 first, and then the rest of the two numbers, that is 6 and 5. In these two digits 5 is smaller than 6, so it means 45,201 is smaller than 46,214. So we will write this number 45,201 next to 41,634. and the last number is 46,214. So see, by using this place value chart, we arrange these numbers in decreasing order. Now please try to attempt part B of question number 2 and question number 3 by yourself on a piece of paper. It's your home task and you have to submit this home task in the school for the assessment marks. Another topic is numbers pattern. A pattern is a set of numbers or figures that are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again. Let us understand this with help of an example. Now look at the number pattern over here. The numbers over here are 4,350, 4,450, then dash and dash. By observing these numbers, can you find which place value is getting changed over here? If we can observe over here, so over here the digits in the ones place they are same, that is 0 and 0. The digits in the tens place they are also same, that is 5 and 5, and the digits in the hundreds place they are getting changed over here. In first block it's 300 and the next one is 400. It means it's increasing order. So the first number is 4,350, the second one is 4,450. So what comes after 4? It will be 4,550. So the next one will be 4,650, and already 700 is over here, that is 4,750, 4,850, 4,950, and what comes after 4,900? So after 900 it's 1000, so it will become 5,050. Now the another one is, it's 9,460, 8,460. So over here it means the 1000 place value is getting changed and it's decreasing order, because first one is 9 and another one is 8. So it means it's decreasing. So first is 9,000, then it's 8,000, and the next one will be 7,460. And see, the next one is 6,460, 5,400, 5,460, 4,460. The next one will be 3,460, and the last one will be 2,460. Now look at question number 4 on page number 10. Part A is 10 more than 98,800 is dash. So over here we have to add this 10 with this 98,800. So it's 10. So what will we get after adding this 10 with this number? So we will get 98,810. The place value of tens will get changed over here after adding this 10 with this number. So our answer will be 98,810. Part B is 100 more than 43,550. So we have to add this 100 with this number. So this 100 will get add with this 550. The place value of 100 over here is 5 and over here is 1. So 5 plus 1 becomes 6. The rest of the numbers will remain same as it is. So it means 43,650 will be our answer. See, just the 100 place value get changed over here. So by following the same pattern, please try the rest of the parts by yourself. Now let's start practice on page number 12. Question number 1. Question number 1 is same like question number 4 on page number 10. So please try to attempt these parts by yourself by taking help from the question number 4. Now question number 2 is complete the number pattern. So part A is 17,500, 18,500, 19,500, dash and 21,500. Over here again we will observe which place value is getting changed over here. So if you see over here, the digits in the ones place they are same, the digits in the tens place they are same, the digits in the hundreds place they are same, the thousands place are getting changed over here. The first one is 17,000, the another one is 18,000, then it's 19,000, and what comes after 19? It's 20,000. So our answer is 20,000 and 500. So by following the same pattern, please try to attempt part B and part C by yourself. Now your home task. Kindly try question number 2 and question number 3 on page number 7 and question number 1 and question number 2 on page number 12. You have to attempt these questions on a piece of paper and then you have to submit this task in the school for the assessment marks. Now for more practice, kindly try worksheet 2 on page number 7 and worksheet 3 on page number 11. It's for your practice. You have to attempt these questions on book. So wish you best of luck. Thank you.